So this is the Vamos Amigo. It comes in a blue, a gray, and a red, like we can see here. This could be fully a car replacement. It can carry around 180 kilos. It's got a 15 amp hour, 48 volt Samsung battery, get you about 80 Ks. You've got a seat here so you can bring a friend with you, hence it being called the Amigo. You can also take the seat off and put a basket on the back. You can also put that basket on the front up here as well. We've got hydraulic disc brakes, we've got a color screen. The Amigo now, the 2024 model, is the only e-bike that I know of in Australia that can swap from 250 watts to 500 watts. That means it's legal in every single state across Australia. We've got pegs for your buddy to put their feet on, and we've got integrated front lights and rear lights. Like I said, it can carry 180 kilos. I see people with their friend on the back, a case of beer on the front, and then a surfboard on the side. You can also just park wherever you want, right in front of the beach if you're heading to the beach, or right in front of the shops if you go in the shops. It's a super popular model. It's the only two-seater in the market where you have an adjustable seat for the rider as well. We've also got front suspension, a super comfy seat, and some thick tires, so it can go off-road and on-road. Super versatile. This is currently our most popular model, really great selling model. Everyone seems to love it, really comfortable to ride and can be used in all terrain. We're starting to see the police get a little bit more unhappy about the throttle laws. So technically all around Australia, you're not allowed to use a throttle that goes above 6 kilometers an hour. So this is locked to 6 Ks, but there is a button that can unlock it if you're off-road riding. The other reason I brought this up is because the Amigo has a torque sensor. So a lot of the competitors of the Amigo doesn't have a torque sensor. So when you're pedaling it, you have to do 1 or 2 full rotations for the motor to kick in. With the torque sensor that the Amigo has, as soon as you pretty much put your foot on the pedal, the motor's gonna kick in, it's gonna assist you. So it's a really good bike if you don't want to use the throttle and you want that extra assistance. This bike has been selling around Australia for the last 2 years, and the 250 watt to 500 watt ability to change from wattage to the other wattage makes it unique in the e-bike field in Australia today.